Hi all, I'm local exchange gamer and today we are going to see the fourth experiment or bomb in the ultimate science kit. For that, we need the equipment of one cup, a scoop, one measuring cylinder, stirring stick. The materials we need from the kit are citric acid, baking soda, cornstarch, food colors that are red, yellow and blue. And we need scents which are green apple scent and the rose scent. The materials we need from home are a little amount of vegetable oil. Our first step is to take the cup and put 2 scoops of baking soda and 1 scoop of citric acid and 1 scoop of cornstarch. Now let us add 2 scoops of baking soda. Make sure that you take a full scoop and pour it completely inside the cup. Don't pour more than 2 scoops. Make sure that all the baking soda falls into the cup by tapping the scoop. Next, we need to add 1 scoop of citric acid. Do not eat or taste any of the materials from the kit. So I am adding 1 scoop of citric acid. Now we need to add 1 scoop of cornstarch. So I have added 1 scoop of cornstarch in it. Now our second step is to measure 5 ml of oil in the measuring cylinder and pour it into this cup. So carefully pour the vegetable oil into the measuring cylinder of about 5 ml. Don't pour more than 5 ml. After pouring 5 ml, we are now going to pour this into the cup in which we have mixed the baking soda, citric acid and cornstarch. Before pouring it, you can mix it with the stirring stick. Now slowly pour the oil into the cup. Now begin to mix everything in the oil you have poured. Make sure that everything is mixed. Now our third step is to add 6 to 7 drops of any one color and 6 to 7 drops of any scent into the cup and mix using the stirring stick. So now I am going to add the blue color into it. We need to add 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I am going to add the green apple scent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now mix it using the stirring stick. Make sure all the mold mixes up and turns into blue color. You can smell the apple scent when you add it. After mixing it, remove everything from the stick and place it aside. Now, our fourth step is to add as much of the mixture as you can into the mold using the scoop. Place the back of the scoop to level it. So now we have our scoop and we have got something like this. Now I am going to level it to get the perfect bath bomb. Make sure that you level it clearly and uniformly. After leveling it, gently take out the scoop and now we need to freeze the mold overnight at least for 18 hours. Next day, we need to remove the bath bomb gently from the cup and drop it into a bucket or a bathtub and we need to enter bath. So let us continue our video after I freeze it overnight.
So hi guys, this is my second part of the video. So I have freezed the mold overnight and I got something like this. So now we are going to pour this into the bucket and see what happens, okay? Now you need to do this in a shady place and you need a bucket half filled with water. So now I am going to pour this into it. 1, 2, and 3. So I think you all can see it. Bubbles are coming and I can smell the apple scent which I have put. So we all can see that slowly all the bluish thing is becoming into bubbles. So I can cleanly smell the apple scent. So we can see that the blue color bubbles are turning into bubbles. So thank you.